Enquiries, every girl,
Yes, church girl. I seem to have misplaced my mother's keys.
Want to sing some Mary Love to sing?
What song is that?
She can't sing that what boy.
The vocal it, vocal
Go,
it.
come try today.
If you hear my mum in the background singing, it's just what it is. So it's Saturday, yeah. Guys, hay fever's trying to mash me up. Do you know what's mad? I actually didn't have hay fever until I got married. Yeah? And even after I got married, I didn't actually have hay fever until me and my husband was actually living together. Yeah, the one year he just came to just lick me down, boy. Like, we take turns. When I have hay fever, he doesn't. When he has hay fever, I don't have it. Anywho, this is not about hay fever. Let me tell you. I've been in a little predicament. Listen, that's £17.50 gone, you know. Because we drove to South London and I know I saw congestion charge on the billboard, not the billboard, but the directional boards in London. But I don't know if I actually drove over a congestion charge at that particular time. Either way, your girl paid it, innit? £70.50 is gone. I just came back to say I had an amazing night last night. I really did. I had a really good night. It was a beautiful night. Like, it was a really good night, guys. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing night. I'm all stuffy. I think I got a little bit of not a cold. It's definitely my hay fever acting out. But yeah, man. Last night was a vibe. And the food, let me tell you. This is what you need to do. Whenever you go somewhere, yeah, make sure you collect your food to bring home. Let me say it again for those in the back. Whenever you go somewhere, make sure you collect your food. Because, you know, you don't want to be eating at events all the time. Because, one, it was very, very packed. And two, it was quite hot as well inside. So, we just collected the food and just left the food in the car. And let me tell you, big up the chef them. Chef kiss. The food nice. What? I was enjoying in my... the food. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, honey. Wherever you go to a night out, wherever you go to a wedding, wherever you go, if they're giving away free food, take as much as you can. You see me and my long belly, very long. But yeah, so I just came to update you guys. So yesterday was the night out of our church sister Shelley. Very sad, actually. Very sad, because she was such a lovely woman. Like, honestly speaking, yeah. Whenever I think about it, I get really, really sad. Like, really, really, really sad. Like, it's just something that you just didn't expect. Like, it's sad. But do you know what? Like, she has a lot of support, which is good. Like, people really... I don't know if you're going to actually hear my mum in the background. That's why I'm keeping thinking I chose the right time to come turn on the vlog, innit? But obviously, I don't want to waffle because you lot know I do like weekly vlogs and they're quite put together. They're quite long. So apologies about the length, but I can't do daily vlogs because life just be so busy sometimes. I can't really be putting out daily vlogs, which is why I paste together like 2-3 days and just put them in one big vlog. What was I gonna say? So yesterday was also Priyas' birthday. So big up my little munchkin, big up my handbag. Literally, big up Priya. today's her birthday. Yeah, so we need to get a crack on today actually, and then I'll be vlogging her birthday, and then tomorrow is church, which I'm very, very much looking forward to. Yes. And then yeah, that will be the end of this weekly vlog. This week has been a very good week. I don't really have much planned for next week, so I don't know what the vlogs will consist of next week, to be honest. But yeah, man, I wish I wish y'all could have been with me last night. Last night was a vibe. It was a vibe. I loved it. I love my church. Listen, guys, find you a church where you feel comfortable, or where you feel like your actual inner family that's not biological, but they're your family. Like big up my church. My church is just amazing, guys. Literally, find your church where you feel welcome, where you feel loved, where you can talk to people, where you can laugh at people, where you can just be yourself. Do you know what I mean? That's what you need to do. But on that note, guys, I'm gonna stop waffling, because I can really waffle for a good little while. I can really talk, so let me shut up and get ready. Well, it's quite early. I think I'm gonna just relax. I'm gonna go find some breakfast and then from there. So, my Jules, I'll see you in the next clip. Clippity clip.
At that time.
No, because you should have known. I told you.
When you say get out there, we can't forget what we take it out there. Yeah, get out there.
I'm not getting out of order. You took, guys. I'm ready, and I said, "Mom, come on, let's go." Mom's there washing dishes. Dishes. She couldn't. She woke up from her.
I went in my shower, put on my makeup.
I had a half an hour.
I don't like to leave dirty things in my house.
Guys, I had a half an hour nap.
See,
exactly. For you to even think about,
if you take somewhere for one, yeah, or half one, yeah, you need to say, listen, we're getting ready and leaving the house for 12.
For 12. We only live up the road, Mum.
Okay,
when I said let's go, that
one.
was the perfect timing.
I want to go to Farin and a plane ride. Eat some plain food. Boom, boom, boom. You got your passport, my baby. Two. You got the ticket already. Yes. I say I want to go to Farin to eat some plain food. Boom, boom, boom. Hey! Wanna Farin is a big Farin.
Yes, sure, girl.
Canada. Yes, that's a new one. On a US flight. Boom, boom, boom. Canada say me gone. Canada say me gone. Canada. Me go Canada figure test my skill. Me book a little thing from Jonah Orange. Me say, hey, little boy, I want to test your skill. He's a nice little boy. Come let me take you on the road. He say, he want to come back to London with me.
What in the heaven, girl?
And just England, Ghana. No, Ghana, not London, Ghana, not London. Ghana, not London, Ghana, not London. We say, you know, when you come here, you have to work. You can't just sit down and be lazy. We say, have you got skills? Have you got degree? Have you got your master's or your PhD? We say,
wow, God, yeah.
We say,
DJ Prestige.
We say, can you drive work? Have you got children or do you want children? What again, we say, what? Do you want to own your own business? Can you help me to buy my mansion? We say, come on London. We say, come on London. Come on London. If you take all the boxes, come on London. Say, come on London. Come on London. Say,
wow.
Hey, we come again. DJ Prestige. Even when the sun hot and burn, you sing and sing.
So everyone is, because that's closed, that's why.
Oh my God.
Anyway, shout out to everyone that's been watching the vlogs so far. You guys need to commend me, you know, because yeah, what's that, the third vlog I've put out, or is it the second? No, I think it's the third one, right? That's the third vlog that I have put out, guys. Normally by vlog 2 I've gone again.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. That's not
so
nice.
For the no. Learner, do not let this white car in. Absolutely taking the mic. Look at him. Don't don't even know we're in a rush.
Look put here. Oh my God, like I'm the first car, Fiat.
We've got literally.
You don't see a Fiat?
Yeah. We've got literally.
People no laugh.
3
car
minutes.
This back in them time, my car was very nice.
And she took. No, Jesus.
No. Not coming. Neither little put here and Fiat, not coming in. My Fiat was called Fiat Uno. Go look for Fiat Uno. It was a small, nice, pretty car, yes.
But as I was saying, guys, thank you for all the love, the support. Thank you for all the nice comments.
And subscribe to my channel.
Thank you for you.
Because I always entertain a lot.
This is the thing with my mom. She loves to talk about people, you see. Thank you to those that have messaged me individually.
Those who have met in Wood Green and other places.
Yes, pick up on a nice clean self.
Some are coming, we have to meet in the park.
Watch this now, watch this.
Go on, books, go on. She can't squeeze. She out of the like what? Go around the corner around there, so I'm going to feed you fall them. You're lucky.
Tough shit.
If you're going here today, I'd put in your place.
Because look at, did you look? I'm about trying to swing. No, there's road rules and principle. You know, she was meant to join from way back. She waited till she reached here to want to come and slide in. So I'm already late because of prestige. No,
don't do that, ma'am.
No, I was
that,
not about to let her come sliding in front of me.
No, sing one song. You're dead.
Well, sing the song then.
No, sing some you love to sing.
What song's that?
She can't sing that word, boy.
The vocals ain't vocally.
Go, come try today. I'm trying my best, ain't good enough.
So why don't you sing in church? You can sing and you don't sing in church. You won't even stand up and say, oh, let me testify and sing a song. And you can sing. You see, and God has given you the singing ability and you don't sing.
Come now.
Don't try fake.
Stop that.
She's sitting in the queue, you know, no one's letting her in because she's too rude.
Feisty. I want to sing, but she don't want to sing, people. Come on,
go and sing. I'm trying my best, but it ain't good enough.
Come on, people. Talk things that we know so good. So see,
Lord, I ain't good enough, but He still loves me. Mommy's the real singer, guys.
Yeah, but
my mother.
I used to sing when I was small. People surprised me, but you know, you don't use the gift that God give you, you take it back, you know. Yes.
So why don't you use that gift?
Me go and practice it. I'm going to practice it.
You don't need to practice. You actually can sing.
Yeah, but you know what? It's not the thing you can't sing, you know.
Look at the traffic.
It's the nerve. Back foot, yes.
Oh my God.
It's the nervous, nervy before when you see people. People forgive me. I don't speak the way I want to speak. I wish I was born in this country. To be honest with you. When they have any concert, they have concert at church, and I put her to sing.
You will not do such thing.
I'm going to put to fan her while she's singing.
If you ever do that, me and you will fall out. No, me and you will fall out.
That's what concert and
I'm not
about.
singing.
They make off live look things.
I'm not
so
singing.
I'm going to pay for her to sing and pay to sit to be her.
I am not singing. You really want to come embarrass me? You see how you're mad? I'm not singing.
Don't do that.
No, I'm not doing that.
So guys,
mark my words. Today is the 6th. The 17th.
She refused. She had to pay 3 times more than I paid. That is concert and rally
the
for
17th of June.
They will make me the MC. You see me make a lot of money that night.
Can you imagine? No, the audacity of some people, Jesus.
To see us saying no like sing at airport too long. I think it's a men thing. They want just
men don't even like going to supermarket.
Yeah.
If I tell Tussie let's go shopping, as in like grocery shopping. Oh my! Listen, you see, men they will say they want cucumbers, and they're going for cucumbers. They are picking up that one cucumber and heading to the till. Whereas us women, we will say we want cucumbers, and we pick up the whole shop and then go to the till.
Which is kind of bad.
Don't come grocery shopping. No, it's not. He doesn't like it because he knows I have to walk out every aisle and then I have to compare deals. Listen, the economy is economic in. Yeah, so you have to know how to spend your money. still the same day. Priyas' birthday was absolutely amazing. She looked absolutely stunning. I'm just a bit sad that I didn't get any pictures with Priya. But yeah, we had to rush to the airport. And then we're back home. A little bit knackered, but so let me tell you what's happening now. Wrong way, little girl, wrong way. We need to go get some. We're quite indecisive on what we want to eat for dinner, so we've decided we want to have Morley's, because as I said in the previous vlog or a couple of vlogs back, Morley's is like the yummiest chicken ever. Yummiest chicken and chips, right? So we've just said, yeah, we'll have that. But guys, I seem to have misplaced my mother's keys. I seem to have misplaced the key then. So I'm about to run back inside and help search for these keys. Hold on, she's even calling me. Right, guys, I found the keys. I found the keys. Because Prestige don't know how to look for things, right? So, oh, there's a stick on my car. I should have taken off that stick, you know. The stick, I just took off the stick with the winds, the wipers. I haven't driven in rain for a while, you know. Wow, let's go, guys. I'll probably turn off the light soon. They can't see me. Look, oh, look how dark it is, Prestige. Anyways, guys, no, they want to see my face. I will come back when we get the chicken and chips, and I'll show you my Morley's. Prestige came with Julsz, so back on the road. I'm gonna go get hubby from the barber shop. And I'm so sorry, apologies in advance. I totally forgot to show you guys the Morley's. I'm slowly breaking back into vlogging, so obviously you lot know I'm always coming and going. So sometimes I don't think to myself, like, obviously I can, you know, sometimes it doesn't register that, oh, you know, put this in your vlog. It could add to the ambience of the vlog. I could have really shown you the Morley's chicken. I could have shown you the Morley's chicken shop. I could have shown you Boss Man, all of that stuff, just to like make the vlog a bit more interesting. But it just wasn't clicking in my head at the time. And believe you me, I can't lie, I'm a bit hungry. Not a bit, I was quite hungry. So when your good sis got home, I devoured the food. But let me tell you what I got. So I went to Morley's, and my particular meal was a deal one. Now what you get in a deal one is quite a large portion. And I said I was quite hungry, so I was being a bit of a fatty in it, because obviously more time I don't really, for the last 3 weeks I've been on this like no carb kind of intake, so I haven't been really eating rice or like couscous. Like literally I've been eating vegetables like spinach, kale with one protein. Whatever meat we cook, I eat the spinach and kale with it. Not kale, but like any greens basically that I'm cooking for dinner. So I've been quite good. I haven't actually had anything bad. So I thought, yeah, let me just, you know, let me dive in, let me be a real fatty bum bum. And that's what I did, guys. I just got a meal that was that would just satisfy my hunger. Like that would just satisfy my it's not really a hunger, it's more greed. I got a meal that would definitely satisfy my greed. That's what I got. So let me get into what I actually got. Like I'm just here waffling because this will be the end of this vlog, because obviously tomorrow we're going to church, so I don't think I'm going to vlog that. I might show you guys our head wraps or our outfits for church, but that'll be a bit about that might be just it, to be honest. So yeah, I do kind of need to end off this weekend vlog. Literally been busy for the whole weekend from Friday come up, so it's one of them ones really. But yeah, I'm waffling. Let me just get okay, this is what I this is what I had. I need to finish this part of the vlog before I get on the main road. I want to turn off the light in the car. So I had one burger. It wasn't even a big burger, so I don't want to hear it in the comments. I don't want to hear you lots waffling about Julsz. That's a lot of food. I had one burger, 1 piece chicken, 3 barbecue wings, fries, and a drink. I know that sounds like a lot, guys, but believe you me, it's not as bad as it sounds. Yeah, and we all know your girl has a big appetite. However, I am trying to change that. I'm trying to obviously lose weight, get healthier. But yeah, on that note, my loves, I will put on back the camera once I'm with hubby. So love you guys, speak to you guys soon. Okay, my jewels, and remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, please. Like, let's run those numbers up. Okay, I love you.